Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the 187,256 lawnmower blades, a high-quality replacement option for your 54-inch mower deck. These blades are designed to replace OEM numbers for AYP, Husqvarna, and Ariens, including models like the Husqvarna LT2227A2, 2354GXLS, and more. This three-pack of high-lift blades ensures optimal performance and efficiency, making your lawn mowing experience smoother and more effective. Each blade measures 18.5 inches in length and 2.5 inches in width, featuring a 5-point star center hole for easy installation. Whether you're using a Husqvarna, Poulan, or Craftsman mower, these blades are crafted to deliver superior cutting power and durability. So, if you're looking to enhance your mower's performance, these replacement blades are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.